Importance of biodiversity. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity means the variations of lives in every living organisms. Every living organism shows their variations. So by their variations, we can easily identify every living organisms like plants and animals. Plants and animals all shows different types of variations for their living life, like characters, colors, habitations. These are the variation types. From this biodiversity, we know importance. What is importance of biodiversity? Importance means from that biodiversity, we gain different types of human needed things. The different types of human needed things are easily collected from the biodiversity. We can easily survive our life. Means the human life is depend on biodiversity. From that biodiversity, some important values are for us. From that importance, first important is ethical values. See children, it is most important word from the biodiversity. Ethical values means every living organism contain their own lifestyle. Every living organism respect to all living organisms. See, they are living within the circle. Every living organism living within the circle. Within the circle, they respect values to other living organisms. Respect values to other living organisms. See, on the total biodiversity, every living organism contains their own values, their own ethical values. By these ethical values, we can easily survive life on the earth surface. Not only human beings, plants, animals, human beings having their own ethical values. Based on these ethical values, we can easily survive our life on the earth. It is the diversity of importance. First important of biodiversity. Ethical values means every living organism having their own living style, living life. From that living life, every living organism respect to other living organism. Respect to all living organisms is called ethical values. The next topic is endemism. See, endemism is important of another biodiversity, important word of biodiversity. Endemism means it is the local place of all living organisms. Local place are also called endemism places. That endemism places are called local places. The local places we can easily help in the smooth life condition. See, every living organism, their life continuation on the own places. For example, we observed every living organism having own life, own lifestyle. From this own lifestyle, the living organism shows their own life skills. Some animals are lives in a particular areas. The particular areas are mainly helps in living life, like environment, temperature, gases composition, soil composition, environmental factors. These all are helps in the smooth living life condition. So these important words, important climatic conditions are present at one place. They are easily helps to our life. That is endemism. And the next one is cultural benefits. Cultural benefits and aesthetic values. See, here it is cultural benefits are is important. See, our foreparents having their own culture. We are also having their own culture. All animals are having their own culture. That culture is mainly helps in the biodiversity. It is also important of biodiversity. The cultural benefits, like we are having their own lifestyle. The lifestyle mainly helps in the important of biodiversity, like Batkama festivals, Ramjan festivals, like Christmas festivals. Every community having their own culture. That own culture having their own cultural benefits. So cultural benefits also gain from the biodiversity. Aesthetic values also. Aesthetic values also collected from the biodiversity. The next one is hiking of habitations. Hiking of habitations means the habitations are mainly helps in the fragmentation, development of biodiversity. From that biodiversity, habitations play major role. Habitations or play major role. It is helps in the hiking of habitations. The next topic, next word is food. Food is also important of biodiversity. See, every living organism except plants, every living organism collected food material from the biodiversity. From that biodiversity, food is the major source for the human beings. Like animals, animals are having protein values. See, every human beings need proteins. The proteins are collected from the animals, from the foreparents or ancestor parents. They called food as animals. Animals are having flesh. That flesh containing good quality of proteins. That proteins are consumed by the human beings. So it is animals also consumed as a food, as a proteins. The next, fishes. Aquatic animals are having good values, good food values, like fisheries, crabs. All types of fishes are having good quality of food materials for the human being life. And the next one is plants. The plants are also used as a food material. See, on the total universe, only food prepared by the plants. So these are also called live stacks. The live stacks are prepared food material by the photosynthesis. They are stored different types of food materials on their plant pots. That plant pots are consumed by the human beings as a food material, like nuts, roots, leaves, fruits. These all are important for human beings as a food material. Now, next topic is medicines, medicinal values. See, according to Ayurveda, every plant, some animals are having medicinal values. That medicinal values are mainly helps in surviving of life from the different types of diseases. See here, recently we heard Ananda Rao medicines like COVID-19 is the dangerous virus disease. It cured from some Ayurvedic medicines. Ananda Rao medicines heard these all the previous years, like previous months. Like it is the Ananda Rao medicines is collected or prepared by the medicines from the plants only. So that medicines plants are helps in the curing of the diseases. Some animals are also having medicinal values. That medicinal values also collected from the animals, plants. The next topic is gene pool. It is the important word of biodiversity. Gene pool is a major source. Every living organism contains mainly different types of genetic codes. The genetic codes are present on the chromosomes. On this chromosome, different types of variation genes are present. The genes are mainly helps in different types of activities, different types of genetic codes. So it is also important for biodiversity, gene pool, and ecosystem services. See, it is the major topic of biodiversity. It is also one major important of biodiversity, ecosystem services like air. See children, every living organism need air, oxygen, including plants and animals need air, good quality of air. From that air, oxygen. Oxygen is the major component of air. Oxygen is the major source of every living organism. So good quality of air is present in the ecosystem. By this good quality of air, every living organism can survive their life in easy manner. And the next, soil. Every plant need soil. Every plant need good quality of soil. In that soil, different types of minerals, macronutrients, micronutrients are play major role for the plant life cycle. So if soil is good condition, automatically we are gain good quality of food from the plants, good quality of food prepared by the plants. So it is also part of ecosystem services. And humus. Humus is a upper layer of soil. Upper layer of soil is called humus. The humus is mainly made by different types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. So that macronutrients and micronutrients are mainly helps for the plant development. And the next one is water. It is also part of ecosystem services. Water is also major role for every living organism, including plants and animals. Water, we know water cycle, our life cycle, plant life cycle, all animal life cycles or depend on water cycle only. See, water is also major role for the human body, human living organisms and plant living organisms and animal living organisms. So water is also play major role for the living organisms. It is also important of biodiversity from ecosystem services. And the next one is the pollination. The pollination mechanism done by the ecosystem factors like air, water, insects like snakes, birds. These all are play major role in the pollination mechanism. See children, pollination means pollen grains are deposited on the stigma is called pollination. After that pollination, ovary of flower convert into fruit. Ovary of flower convert into fruit. That fruit filled with different types of delicious nutrients for the living organisms. If pollination is occurs, we can easily collect different types of fruits from the plants. If pollination not occurs on the plants, that ovaries or ovules cannot convert into fruits. So pollination mechanism is also part of ecosystem services. Part of ecosystem services. So these are the major important words of biodiversity.